To enable Google Assistant on Google Pixel phone, first we'll need to click on the Settings button. Then navigate to the Google in the main page of your settings. There's Google Services and Preferences. We want to click on that and then move to All Services. Now when you scroll down, there's Search Assistant and Voice, and right here we have our Google Assistant. Now we can make sure that we have the voice match set up, and the rest of the settings are set according to your preferences, so you can customize them however you like. And now to actually activate your Google Assistant, we need to scroll down and go for Assistant, Digital Assistant from Google. When you click on it, make sure that Google Assistant is selected right here. And now when we use the voice match and call out our Google with the sentence, "Hey Google," that way you'll be able to enable it.